Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is the monthly reading for the sign Aries, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of August. I'm using Monology Oracle cards. I hope you can see well. And I have Chakra Wisdom Oracle cards. These two decks I will be using to determine the theme of the reading. So I have a situation over here, and what I can see that someone who can be an air sign, most probably this can be someone who is Aquarius or Libra or Gemini, or maybe the person has some sort of job related to some law firm, or maybe working for police or any other law enforcement agency. So the Aries people are dealing with such person, and that person is not giving you a good response. This is the situation basically which is on the table right now. You somehow are very much willing to stay on the same point, and you are continuously spying on them, you are continuously watching them, your complete focus is upon them. Though they are not very much open towards you, they might have become cold due to some other reason. Now what is that reason? That reason can be a third party situation. You yourself, Aries, might be in some third party situation. You might be already into some committed relationship, and that air sign person is not willing to start something or start a relationship which is based on cheating. So they are not talking to you. Okay, whatever you are trying to offer them, they are not talking to you, and the reason behind, possibly there is some sort of legal issue going on in your life, or maybe there is a divorce process going on in your life. That is why the person is not open towards you, they are not talking to you, and a complete silent period is going on. On the other hand, you are very heartbroken because you have waited for this person for a very long time, and you are very heartbroken. You don't know how to behave in this situation. You are very much confused and feeling like that you are not able to take any step ahead. On the other hand, what is on your mind is this happy home and happy relationship situation with the same person, but the situation is really becoming tough for you, and it's just like that you are ready to explode. You are not able to you are not able to take pain anymore, because I can see a lot of pain over here. Moreover, the oracle cards are also telling me that there is an insecurity going on inside yourself. Heart chakra is involved in the situation, and you have this fear that you will lose this person, or this person is completely gone from your life. But I really feel that you have to realize this thing, that the person is very much clear about their feelings, they are very much clear about their values and morals, and the thing which is stopping them to come towards you is this cheating behavior. They feel that having any kind of connection or relationship with you at this point can create a cheating scenario, and they don't want to cheat. They have their own set of rules, and they just want to follow those rules. But on the other hand, Aries, yourself, you are not willing to leave the situation. You are not ready to leave the situation. This situation can be the previous one, which needs to be end before starting a new. The ending of this situation is taking a long time. As I have shown you earlier, that over here the third card is justice card, which means that there is a certain time period involved, and you have to wait for the time when this whole process will be completed. But for right now, what you have to do, I have a card for you, full moon in Scorpio, and the card is saying it's time to release negativity. Basically, when we try to read all these cards all together, no doubt that the whole situation has created so much pain for you, but I really feel that it's time to remain positive, it's time to remain detached from your pain, it's time to expand your heart chakra, it's time to accept that the negativity is creating more and more problem for you, and you really need to see the whole situation with a very objective approach. Secondly, you really need to have that much patience and that much confidence that the other person, why basically you really need to understand other person's perspective as well, why they are not coming, why they are not talking, why they are not interested to have a relationship with you. This is because of this third party situation. But right now it's really a difficult task for Aries, because they can see they are into the feeling or the thing that I am waiting for the person for a very long time, and the person is not coming towards me, and I want to take a new step, I want to take a step towards a happy family situation, and it's now beyond your endurance. Things are becoming very difficult for you now. How you can cope? You really need to turn yourself into something positive, get to start a positive hobby, and try to figure out that time is not appropriate to start a new relationship. You seriously need to understand this thing, that you have to close a door first, then you can start something new, or then you can open a new door for yourself. So this is the whole situation. As soon as you will get rid of this previous one, as soon as you will ready to leave the previous situation, I believe within no time this air sign person will come towards you. Okay, so this was the reading for Aries. I hope you will like this. Don't forget to give me a feedback on this reading. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.